now. So let's see if I can do it better. Okay. So, not really going. Okay, so you probably need to go straight. Okay, so now we're looking, see how he is. Now go straight. Straight back like this. With the, if we can be straight with the, there you go. Okay, so now we need to pull up a little bit more. Like right here. Like right here. And then we got back up straight. We're gonna back up straight. And then now we're gonna turn to the right. Yeah, we're gonna turn to the right. Before we even do that, we need to go. We need to go open our we need to go open the back of the trailer. Okay? We can open it real quick. Oh, probably not gonna have space to do that. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna have space to do that. Yeah, you're not gonna have space, so we're gonna have to go with it. We're gonna have to pull up a little bit. We're gonna have to pull up a little bit so we can do this. So should be easy, y'all. We gotta pull up. Now we gonna open it. So this right here. Boom. Right here. Boom. Okay, so now we're gonna back up. You do as many pull-ups you want until you get it right. That's how it goes. Okay? We got it like this. And then I'm gonna start turning. And then we're gonna start turning to the left again. Try to see if we can be straight. You guys can see right now. Okay. we're not straight, so we're gonna pull up a little bit now. We're gonna pull up to the right. Okay, turn the wheel to the right. Now we're gonna pull up, see if we can be straight like this. Okay, right here. Now you see the yellow line here? The yellow line over there, we more on that, so we're gonna try to fix it. Let's pull up a little bit. Boom. So to fix it, you're gonna back up and turn your wheel to the left. Okay, turn your wheel to the left, and then you're looking at that one. When you think that you're good enough, then you start turning to the right. Okay, you start turning to the right so you don't hit nothing. Okay, so we need to be in the middle of that white thing, that black thing. Now we're gonna steer to the right again. See that black thing? We need to be in the middle of it. We need to hit the middle. And which we are about to do. One thing about those things, if you keep pressing on the brake and stuff like that, it's gonna save clutch overheating or whatever. Okay, so now we're straight. And then we should be straight. Now we should be good to go. You see how straight I am now? We should be good to go now. So back. Back. So now we're gonna look and see if we're good. We should be good. We should be good to go. We should be in the middle of this. Okay. Here, you see that black thing? We should be in the middle of it, but let's see the other side. Yes, we're good. Yeah, we should be good now. All right. So yeah, guys, this is how. Oh my God. This is how you back into the dock. That's super tight. Okay. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment if you like the video. Okay. I'm out.